Welcome to linuxhelp.com. In this session, you are going to see about Home Bank, a personal money and finance account manager. Home Bank is a free open source personal finance and money management application that can be used to manage your daily and monthly finance detail easily as well as effectively. And it is a cross-platform tool. It can work in various operating systems including Linux, Windows, FreeBSD and Mac OS. For installing Home Bank in Ubuntu, I need to add the repository. For that command is add -apt-repository ppa mdoyen/homebank and press enter. Now the repository has been get added. For updating, give apt-get update and press enter. The packages has been get updated. Now install the Home Bank. For that command is apt-get install Home Bank. The Home Bank package has been get installed in my system. For opening the Home Bank, type Home Bank in the terminal and press enter. Here you can able to see the welcome screen of the Home Bank. For creating account, click on manage accounts and then click on add button and type the account name and click OK. Now the account name has been get added. Now choose the type as bank, give the number and bank name here, and here give the initial balance you are having and the number of check you are having and the minimum balance. After that click close. Now here you can able to see the status, the name of the account and the bank and the current balance you are having and today and the future balance you are having. For creating pay is refers to who the transaction actually goes on. For creating a pay, click on manage and pays and give the name for the pay and click add. Now the pay has been get added and then click close. Now I am going to create the categories. For that, manage categories. Here you can choose the category. Now I am going to choose the category as house rent. It is going to be an income for me, so I am going to click on income and then click add. Now one category house rent has been get added in the income. Now I am going to add another one category mobile bill, and it will not come under the category of income, so I uncheck this box and click add. So two categories has been get added and then click close. For adding transactions, click on transaction add. Here you can choose the date on which day it has to do the transaction and the amount on the payment. It is cash and the information I'm going to give it as house rent. This is an income for me. Here you have to choose the account and here you have to choose the payee, name of the payee here, and the category is house rent. After that click add. Now it has been get added and then click close. Now in the main menu, click on the account. Here you can able to see the amount that is present in your bank and how much amount it has been get transferred, and the future amount will be get displayed here. Since I have given the name 14 Tuesday, so entry is not been get added here. The future entry will be get added after the date has been get completed. By using this method, you can maintain your home bank and keep an eye on your income and expenses every month. Thank you for watching.